Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So of course, the best decision would be try your best and remember the password that you used last time when you successfully entered your tablet. But if you cannot do this, then the best solution would be reaching out to Samsung customer support service and telling them about this issue. If you can provide them with proof of the ownership of your tablet, I'm not sure what they may require. Maybe it will be the receipt from the store where you bought this tablet, or maybe the card box will be enough. However, this way they will be able to let you regain access to your tablet without removing any personal data from it. That's why I consider it is the best option, because the following ones are the factory reset operation on your that you can perform on your tablets in various ways, but still all of them will result in wiping all of the data from your tablet. So if you don't have your data saved somewhere else, then consider backed up somewhere else, then consider this option as your number one. Now, if this is the option, if you cannot use this option, then you can still perform a factory reset operation either locally or remotely. If you want to know how to perform this operation locally, you have to check the separate video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on this particular tablet. We'll explain everything step by step, so you won't miss anything, or not will you do anything wrong. But if you want to perform the factory reset operation remotely, you can use any other device that you have around you that has internet connection on it. Simply open the web browser on that device, and then depending on which account you have linked to your tablet, either a Google account linked to your tablet or Samsung account linked to your tablet, you have two different options, or maybe both of them, of how you can perform factory reset operation. Now, if you have a Google account set up on your device, then you're going to have to access the Google Find Hub website, sign into your Google account that is linked to A11 tablet. And once you do that, you'll have to open the devices list, find your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 on the list, and select factory reset device option. In case of Samsung account, you have to go to SmartThings Finds by Samsung, sign in to this website using your Samsung account, and then select the Galaxy Tab A11 again on the list. And under Protect My Device section, you'll find Wipe My Device option. Use it to perform factory reset operation on your device. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to regain the access to your device once again and use it as a new device, basically. Now, there is another possibility. Let's also consider the case if you do remember the password that you entered the last time when you tried to access your device, but this time your tablet doesn't want to accept it. In such case, that might be caused by some third-party application that is or third-party maybe activity that is making your lock screen behave incorrectly. Sometimes that happens, and in such case, in order to reset the password, you have to access the safe mode where third-party applications and activities are blocked. And in order to do so without having the access to your tablet, without knowing the password, you have to go through a couple of pretty simple but sometimes tricky steps. So first of all, what you have to do is turn off your device by force restarting it, and to do that, press the power button and volume down key at the same time. Let me try once again. Press and hold them, and what we want to see is the power options on the screen. Once you see them, After you see them, keep holding both of these keys until the screen of your tablet goes off. And once the screen of the tablet goes off, you can release both of them. That means that your tablet will start to reboot in a couple of moments. And what we have to do is wait until we see Samsung Galaxy Secure by Knox, wait for a couple of seconds, and then start holding down the volume down key. There is no detailed timing to when you have to do that, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna succeed this time by doing so. But basically, once you started holding the volume down button, just keep holding it until your device reboots, and there is a good chance that you will end up in the safe mode, just like I did right now. But sometimes you may have to, give it a couple of tries. And once you are in the safe mode, provide your password, press done, wait until your tablet starts if you succeeded. And then the first thing you have to do before checking for the third-party applications that may have caused your device's lock screen to behave differently, go to Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and in Security and Privacy select Lock Screen, provide your password once again, tap Continue, and then select either Swipe or None. And then you can normally reboot your device by holding down the power button, selecting Restart, and then just wait until your tablet is restarted into the normal mode, and this time everything should be fine. So, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.